Hey, welcome back to NobleMind Cast. I'm your host, Alex Rivers.
And I'm Nova, and we are so excited you are here today.
Okay, so today is a special one because today we are just going to talk like real people, like real friends.
Yes, no textbook, no grammar rules, just real English, real conversation, the way Americans actually speak.
Because here is the thing. Most English classes teach you perfect English, but perfect English is not how people talk in real life.
So true. Like nobody walks into a coffee shop and says, "Good morning, I would like to purchase 1 cup of coffee, please."
Right? That sounds like a robot. In real life, you just say, "Hey, can I get a coffee? Thanks."
Exactly. Short, simple, natural. That is real English.
And that is exactly what we teach here at NobleMind Cast. Real English for real life, every single day.
Okay, so today Alex and I are going to talk about some everyday situations, things that happen to you every day, and we are going to show you exactly what to say.
Love it. Okay, situation number 1. You just moved to America. First day. You meet your neighbor for the first time. What do you say?
Ooh, okay, so a lot of people freeze in this moment. They know some English, but suddenly everything disappears.
Yes, the brain just goes blank. Like, hello, words, where did you go?
Right? So here's what you do. Keep it simple. Smile first, then say, "Hey, I just moved in next door. I'm Nova. Nice to meet you."
That is perfect. Short, friendly, easy. You don't need a long speech.
And then just wait. Let the other person talk. Most Americans are very friendly. They will keep the conversation going.
So true. Americans love to talk. Just give them a little opening, and they'll do the rest.
Exactly. And if you don't understand something they say, don't panic. Just say, "Sorry, could you say that again? I'm still learning English."
And you know what? Americans respect that so much. When someone says they are learning, people become more patient, more kind.
Yes, nobody judges you for learning. They think it's amazing that you speak more than one language.
Absolutely. Okay, situation number 2. You're at work, your boss asks you to do something, but you don't understand the instructions. What do you do?
Oh, this is such a common situation. And so many people just say, "Okay," even when they have no idea what to do.
Right, and then they go back to their desk completely lost.
So, the right thing to do is ask for clarification. And here's how you do it politely. Say, "I want to make sure I understand. Could you explain that one more time?"
Beautiful. You're not saying, "I don't understand." You're saying, "I want to make sure." That sounds confident. That sounds professional.
Yes, the words you choose matter so much. Same meaning, but totally different feeling.
Okay, tip within a tip. Always repeat back what you understood. Say, "So just to confirm, you want me to finish the report by Friday, is that right?"
Yes, this is called checking understanding, and it shows your boss that you are serious, that you care about doing the job right.
And it saves you from making mistakes, which saves everyone time.
Exactly. Okay, situation number 3, and this one happens to everyone.
Ooh, what is it?
You are at a restaurant. The waiter brings you the wrong order. What do you say?
Oh no, the wrong food. Okay, so a lot of people, especially if they're shy, they just eat the wrong food and say nothing.
Yes, they don't want to cause trouble, but you paid for your food. You deserve to get what you ordered.
So how do you handle it politely?
Easy. Just say, "Excuse me, I think there might be a mistake. I ordered the chicken sandwich, but this looks like a burger."
See how polite that is? You said, "I think there might be a mistake." You're not blaming the waiter, you're just pointing out the situation.
And the waiter will almost always say sorry and fix it right away. No drama, no problem.
This is so important in American culture. You can speak up, but always be polite. Always be kind. That's how things get done here.
Yes, assertive but kind. That is the American way.
I love that, Nova. Okay, we have 2 more situations coming up, plus your daily challenge, plus a listener question.
So don't go anywhere. We'll be right back after this short break.
And we are back. Okay, situation number 4. You are making a new friend, maybe at school, maybe at the gym, maybe at a community event. How do you start a conversation with a stranger?
Ooh, I love this one. Starting conversations with strangers is an art.
It really is. And a lot of people think you need something clever to say, but actually, the simplest things work best.
Yes, you can just comment on something around you. Like if you were at the gym, say, "Hey, is this machine taken?" Or, "Have you tried this class before? Is it good?"
Exactly. You are not being weird, you are just being friendly and normal. And most people respond really well.
And then once they respond, ask one more question. Show interest. Like, "Oh, how long have you been coming here?"
Now you have a conversation from literally nothing, just 2 simple questions.
And here's the secret. People love to talk about themselves. So ask questions, listen, react. That is how friendships start.
React is so important, Nova. Like, don't just listen quietly. Say things like, "Oh, really?" Or "No way," or "That's so cool."
Yes, these little reactions, they're called conversation fillers, and they make the other person feel heard, feel valued.
So good. Okay, situation number 5, the last one.
Last one. Okay, go ahead, Alex.
You are on the phone, maybe calling a doctor's office or a store, and the person speaks too fast or uses words you don't know. What do you do?
Phone calls are so hard, even for me sometimes.
Right? Because on the phone, you cannot see the person's face, no body language, just the voice.
So if you don't understand, it is completely okay to say, "I'm sorry, could you speak a little slower, please? I want to make sure I get this right."
And you know what? The person on the phone will almost always slow down. They want to help you. That is their job.
Exactly. And if you still don't understand a word, ask them to spell it. Say, "Could you spell that for me, please?"
Simple, effective, and totally normal. Nobody thinks it is strange. People ask for spelling all the time.
Yes, even native speakers do it, especially with names or medical words.
Okay, so let's do a quick recap of all 5 situations.
Number 1, meeting your neighbor. Keep it short, smile, say your name.
Number 2, not understanding your boss. Ask for clarification politely. Repeat back what you understood.
Number 3, wrong order at a restaurant. Speak up kindly. Say, "I think there might be a mistake."
Number 4, making new friends. Comment on something around you. Ask simple questions. React and listen.
Number 5, phone calls. Ask them to slow down. Ask for spelling if needed. No shame.
These 5 situations happen every single day in America, and now you know exactly what to say.
You are so prepared. I'm so proud of you.
Okay, your daily challenge today. Pick one of these 5 situations and practice what you would say. Say it out loud 3 times, like you're really there.
Close your eyes, imagine the situation, and speak. Your brain will remember it so much better that way.
That is such a great tip, Nova. Visualization plus speaking, super powerful combination.
Science says so.
Okay, our listener question for today. Someone asks, "Alex, Nova, I have been learning English for 2 years, but I still cannot have a full conversation. Am I too slow?"
Oh, absolutely not. 2 years is not a long time at all.
Right. Learning a language is not like learning math. There's no finish line. It's a journey.
And everyone's journey is different. Some people learn fast in reading, but slow in speaking. Some people understand everything, but freeze when they talk.
That is completely normal. The brain needs time to connect what you know to what you can say.
The best thing you can do is expose yourself to English every single day. Podcasts, movies, songs, real conversations. Every little bit helps.
And celebrate small wins. Did you understand a joke today? Win. Did you order food in English? Win. Did you listen to this podcast? Huge win.
Yes, every step forward counts. Don't compare your chapter 1 to someone else's chapter 10.
Beautiful, Nova. That was beautiful.
Thank you. I try.
Okay, my amazing listeners, that is all for today's episode of Noble Mind Cast.
Thank you so much for spending time with us today. It really means the world to us.
If this episode helped you, please share it with one friend who is learning English. One share can change someone's life.
And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe right now. We drop a brand new episode every single day.
Every single day. No days off, because your English growth never stops.
Keep growing your mind.
That's our motto. See you tomorrow, everyone. Take care. Bye.
Bye.